Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Grouping Symbols Worksheet. On the next two slides I provide the lyrics of a rap song about grouping symbols. Enjoy. And here are the next three verses of the rap song. And now here is the worksheet. So I'll leave this on for a little while, give you time to have a look at it, and you can pause it for as long as you like while you do these examples. And on the next slide I provide all the answers so you can check how you went. Okay, I'll move on to the answers now, but remember you can pause this slide for as long as you like. So here are the answers. You can check how you went now. Again, it's up to you to pause the slides for as long as you like, and you can go backwards or forwards at your leisure. And now we move on to the next slide. So Maths with Jacob has attempted to integrate mathematics, English and music by providing a rap song about grouping symbols.